FUBO TV, ticker symbol FUBO, absolutely soared today. I think it closed roughly like 35% higher at around $36 per share. Now you might be asking, is it too late to get into this stock? Why did it go so high today? And is this something that I could be invested in 2021? Well, we're going to answer all of these questions in the rest of this video, so stay tuned and let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. We're going to grow our portfolios together and we're going to grow together. Now, with that being said, if you like the content on this channel, don't forget to click that like button. If the subscribe button is still red, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and become a bro. Now, like I said, we're going to be talking about FUBO TV. So what does FUBO TV do? They're kind of like a sports streaming station where you can stream different sporting events like Hulu, Disney Plus. These are some of their competitors, right? Their packages start around $60 a month, and you get live sports for the price, for the monthly subscription. But what's so different about that, and why are they soaring today? Well, they just announced that they're going to acquire Vigotry. You might be saying, what is Vigotry? Vigotry is an online sports betting site or company. And what they plan on doing is finalizing the acquisition of this company and then integrating the sports betting into their streaming site. So this is like the perfect combination, right? Instead of just watching sports on TV and then going to a different company and a different app on your phone to be able to bet on the sporting event, it's all going to be integrated into one application and into one site. So when you're streaming your sporting events on FUBO TV, guess what you're going to be able to do? Bet on them as well. Now, this might not seem like a huge deal or a huge innovation, but what does everybody love? Convenience. That's right. I know it doesn't seem like a big deal, like, oh, well, I'm watching on TV, now I got to pull my phone out and I got to bet on a different company as well. When everything's all bundled together and it's all right there for you and it's easy to do, guess what you're more likely to do? Well, that which is easy, right? It's just common sense. So this could be a huge move for the sports betting industry. Now, I'm not too much into betting on sports and things like that, so I don't know exactly what goes on in the sports betting ring and whether or not it's legal everywhere. So I'm sure they're going to have to jump through a lot of hoops like that. And of course, they still have competitors like FanDuel and DraftKings, and now they're competing with different places like the streaming sites as well and Hulu, but now they're going to be able to offer what nobody else offers. So if you stream your sporting events through something like Disney Plus and you're watching on ESPN, great, but you can't bet on ESPN. Or if you're betting on something like DraftKings or FanDuel, great, but they're not your streaming provider. You can't watch them on that site. So this is going to be something different, and they expect to finalize this deal by the end of the year. Okay, so what does this mean for you as an investor? This stock shot up 30+% today. Is it too late to get in? Well, I don't think it's too late to get in, especially since the news was announced today. You're going to have a lot of people seeing this stock jump so high today, and they're going to want to get in tomorrow at the open. Now, if this is the case, what do I recommend? I recommend waiting for that follow-through before you pull the trigger. If the stock opens higher tomorrow, and especially if you're a day trader, right? If you're investing for the long term and you believe in the sports betting industry and the sports streaming industry, awesome. That's a whole different thing. But if you're in this for the short term, if you want to play the news, if you want to get in and get out and make a quick profit, please just wait for that follow-through in the morning. Now, with that being said, if it's like 10 o'clock in the morning, we see the market open, we see FUBO TV open higher, and it's continuing to move higher around the 10 o'clock period, and we don't see a lot of profit taking, absolutely, we can go ahead, we can pull the trigger, we can get into this stock. But make sure we have take profits and stop losses on there as well. So if the stock pulls back, we don't lose all of the money we invested, and if the stock continues higher, we can get in, we can get out with a nice gain really quick. So, like I said, they expect to complete this deal around the end of the year. Now, I don't know how many of you out there are willing to hold this stock throughout the entire year to see this deal come to fruition. I don't necessarily think that it's going to be something that you need to do in order to capture gains on this move. So with that being said, guys, this could be an excellent day trade for us tomorrow, but make sure we have that follow through around 10 o'clock in the morning. This is just released today. This stock closed higher today. There's going to be a lot of people looking into why it moved and whether or not they should get in. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to click that like button, share this video with somebody, especially if they're interested in the stock market, sports betting, Fubo TV in general, or they just want to capture a quick gain, get in, out, and move on to the next trade. And if the subscribe button is red, I'll give you guys one more chance. Make sure you click that subscribe button, join the channel, and let's grow together in 2021. All right, guys, until the next time, I hope that all of you have an awesome day.